What's up guys, this is Jamie with Texas Direct Roofing. I'm out here in West Fort Worth in a neighborhood where we've done more than 100 roofs. Check it out. So about 2 years ago in Live Oak Creek, they got hit with a big hailstorm where we did about 100 roofs out here. This roof was borderline. So unfortunately, Live Oak Creek just got hit again. So we came out and inspected this roof and it was finally over the line, quite a bit of hail damage. So Allstate is paying for him to get a brand new roof and we're gonna knock it out today. So we're installing Owens Corning Duration Class 3 today. We install a lot of this, but this color particularly, Desert Rose. We brought some samples over and the customers love Desert Rose. I've actually never installed this color before, so I'm super excited to see how it turns out. So if you're in the West Fort Worth White Settlement area and you were affected by this storm that just came through, I'd be happy to come and take a look for you, see if we can help you out. Give me a call at 817-233-7697.